From left to right, Mark Vande Hei, Aki Hoshide, and Megan MacArthur, all unsuited and aiding the two spacewalking astronauts in the final steps of getting them pushed into the station's crew lock. They'll be closing the hatch and entering into the depressurization sequence. We got some statistics for you for today's 6-hour and 20-minute spacewalk. It was the 240th spacewalk in support of International Space Station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. Started at 6:42 a.m. Central Time today, ended at 1:10. It was the 8th spacewalk conducted this year, 2021, the 4th of Pesquet's career, totaling 26 hours and 15 minutes in his career. It was the 8th for Kimbrough, totaling 52 hours and 43 minutes. It puts him on the 11th of all-time EVA total hours in his career. Today's spacewalk again lasted 6 hours and 28 minutes. And of course, all of the spacewalks for the 240 EVAs of support of ISS assembly, maintenance, and upgrades total 63 days, 0 hours, and 56 minutes.